Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the damaged fastener and selecting the appropriately sized speed-out extractor because fit matters for grip. Once chosen, remove surface debris and make a shallow centered pilot hole with a 1/8 bit. This ensures the extractor bites. Make sure the part is immobilized, clamp it firmly, and put on eye protection. Then seat the extractor straight into the pilot hole using a T-handle and gentle pressure. Small, steady rotation engages the reverse threads. Stop if you feel slippage and reassess alignment. You continue by applying slow, steady counterclockwise torque to let the extractor's spirals dig into the metal. Jerks can shear the tool. If the screw won't move, apply a penetrating oil, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then try again so corrosion can break down. Once the extractor has solid purchase, increase force progressively rather than abruptly. If manual torque fails, transition to a controlled impact driver. The short, sharp blows can free seized fasteners without excessive sustained twisting that risks breaking the extractor. You finish by backing out both the fastener and the extractor together, then clean the hole and inspect the threads for damage. If the extractor breaks, remain calm. Drill a bit deeper centered at low speed and attempt a larger extractor or install a helicoil if threads are ruined. Make sure to replace the fastener with the correct size and, depending on the application, apply anti-seize or thread locker to prevent recurrence. One tip: if gripping fails, recenter your pilot hole before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.